In this video, we are going to talk about how to identify whether the points belong to the x-axis, y-axis, or maybe it's the origin. So we just talked about the quadrants, but what if the point is actually not in any of the quadrants, but it's sitting on one of the what we call axis, right? So the horizontal line is called the x-axis, and then the vertical one is called the y-axis. So if your point is over here, how do you get from the origin? So just imagine that the origin is right here. This is your house, and you just want to get right there to that purple point. So how do you get there? Well, all you have to do is just really jump 3 blocks to the right, and you do not have to go up or down. So that means that the coordinates of P are going to be 3, 0. And notice how the x coordinate is not 0. So that tells you that this point belongs to the x-axis. Okay, and then what if you again started at O and then maybe you went 2 blocks down, so you are over here at point B. What are the coordinates of point B? Well, point B, you did not have to go to the right or to the left, so that would be 0. And then you went 2 down, so that would be -2, right? And that point is going to be on the y-axis. So notice how on the y-axis, the y coordinate is not 0. Finally, the origin itself, well, the origin, you do not have to go anywhere. You're already at the origin. So both coordinates are 0, 0. Okay, so with that said, let's look at this one. So 0, 3. So 0 means that you are not going anywhere to the right or left. You're only going 3 up. So I'm just clicking on the point and dragging it 3 up. 2, 0, that means that I'm going 2 to the right, but I'm not going up or down. So again, click at the origin, move 2 to the right, and not go anywhere else. Okay, 0, -1. Click at the origin and go down 1, but do not go right or left. -5, 0, 5 to the left. So let's just move this point 5 to the left and don't go up or down. And finally, 0, 0, of course, is the origin. How do we know where each point is located? So just look at which coordinate is not 0. So 3 is not 0, but 3 is the y coordinate, right? That's the second coordinate. So that means this point is on the y-axis. 2, 0, not 0 is the first coordinate, so that point is on the x-axis. This point is on the y-axis because the y coordinate is not 0. -5, 0 is on the x-axis. And finally, 0, 0, of course, is the origin.